This video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on conversation intelligence in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right there into your HubSpot. And from in there, you should be able to see right here this. So head over and click onto this gear icon that you can see on your HubSpot dashboard. You can only see it if you're on the admin dashboard. And once you have done that, you just need to locate the calling option onto the settings right here. So locate calling and click on it once you're done. Now in here, you can see the HubSpot calling option, as well as the integration, transcription language, and the likes. You need to actually enable and set up your HubSpot calling to enable this. So click onto this Get Started. Now in here, you need to head over and make sure that you have the option for Marketing Hub Professional. So once you have this, you should be able to find the call recording and make sure that's turned on, and also toggle transcription analysis to on in order to enable it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.